It says the current sketch is currently open. Open it. It is not fully closed. Would you like to automatically close it? You click on here, and as you click on here, you can see that a kind of a transparent water bottle that you are going to see. Okay, it automatically selected the center line as the axis of rotation, right? And you want to fit 360. You want full bottle, right? You don't want half bottle. That will give us the isometric view. If you want to see diametric, then click on this different view. Okay? Click tick mark, and you can see that the water bottle is fully formed. This is not our original view. Again, click on this second view, you will get the full water bottle. I want to, in FEA, what happens? I want to find stress at every point. That's why I will divide it. Right? And I will use the same equation over here. For the smaller element. Right? So again, we will go to the mesh. Over here, mesh. Right click on that. Now, gravity. I will define the gravity. The water bottle is going down. Right? So to provide the gravity, select this bottom plane of the water bottle, and you can see that the gravity is now downward. Select the bottom plane, the gravity is downward, right? So the water bottle will go down. Okay, damping you can provide. So damping means, what is damping means? You have some surface friction, right, when the water contacts with the surface. So you are providing some damping. It is not zero friction. Damping is, if the water bottle is hitting the floor, it will rebound.
I'm just ready to I'm just ready to as per the standard. So what is the standard that we are following? It's called ASTM standard, American Standard of Testing Materials. So in that standard, they have defined for each and every material to know the material property, to do the tensile test, we have to follow these type of standards. So in that, they have defined all the specimen geometry. So as per the geometry, they are going to prepare the samples now for two specimens. One is for the 2-3 specimen actually. So for metal, for acrylic and the PLA specimen, characterized PLA, polylactic acid. This one we are going to do in the 3D printing machine. So both this will have the same specification, and it is having the ASTM standard D6.
Oh, I think I didn't cover you.
have to protect the tool also from tearing.
I hope you all of you enjoyed with learning.
Yes.
So these all the takeaways we have completed. We are going to have a skill on SolidWorks, then know how to produce the NC code generation, do laser cutting, CNC milling, do tensile test, and then understand what the diagram is saying to us, all the properties. Right? This clear. Now the part is what? Quiz, brain wave bonanza. Right? So I will going to share a QR code. Please scan this QR code. I will give one question. In the question, you will get 4 options. Okay, and that 4 option, if you select the correct answer very quickly, you will get the most point. Okay, the timing is there. Each answer you have to have only 30 seconds. Okay. So first question is coming to you. What is the full form of CAD? So you have 30 seconds to give the answer. So question 2. Okay. Used to perform the tensile test for metals. Okay. Which ASTM standard is used to tensile test the auto metals? What? Okay. Aluminum is metal, right? Aluminum is metal. And here we will E8. Right? ASTM E8. Okay. So in the laser code again we have different another question second. Let's move to the third question. Okay, everybody ready? So the third question is on a mobile mobile phone, which property you cannot predict from tensile test? Okay. Options are over there. Which property you can't predict from the tensile test? Quite comparable with 1933 points and 1927 points. Another they are leading the two place, first place. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. Everybody ready? Okay, question is on a mobile phone. Which equipment converts force into electrical signal? Okay, you have four options. You have force cell, load cell, actuator, extensometer. Which one converts the electrical signal, mechanical force to electrical force? Load cell, right? I have already mentioned the UTM bearings in the load cell to convert to revolve. Which feature you have used? Revolve, right? You have used the revolve. So 2 has given the correct answer. Let's see answer, and that will make okay. Usher to the third place. Which one is leading? Last second question. All where the necking occurs. Is fracture, yield, ultimate, or propulsion? Everyone has voted. Okay. One has given correct answer, ultimate point, because at that the necking occurs. And the one that Jacob has given the correct answer, which is very next to it. And last, we can say the leaderboard leading with Nipun is the heart principle. Okay, leading with the first most point. That's good. So I hope you also enjoyed. Student, this.
Because you came here, so we have shoes.
Switch on.
Switch on the light, and you can call the name of the student, and he or she can come to you to take this. Okay, a photo please. A photo please. He will give the second. Okay, you can. Okay, thank you. And no, so you give two, then to him.
Jacob.
Can I see that? Yeah.
But the name will be not visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. Miss.
It's more likely this work is done by you only. So simple process, since we didn't get time, we are not able to give you the chance to check this print out and cutting them. This is design.
So this will be a memory for you as you join over here.
Posture.
One more reason.
I can.
Yeah.
After that, we are given this process to them too.
Yeah, because of time limit we can't take this. But like you have enjoyed everything, right?
Yeah.
You have also gained something.
Some basics.
Yeah, some basics.
Some introduction about software.
Okay, so this is a gift from our side.